Hey there, welcome to Rachel and Victoria Italia YouTube channel, a channel that is dedicated to assist you in your sewing journey. So today, I'll be teaching you step-by-step process on how to make scrunchies. These are beautiful trendy ear accessories, so let us get right onto it. So here are the equipment you're going to need. You'll need a tiny elastic, a scissors, a safety pin, a chalk, a tape measure, and your choice of fabric. So the next step is to cut out your fabric. There I have 14 inches for the width of my fabric, and for the length of my fabric I have 5.5 inches. So the next thing is to fold your fabric. Firstly, chalk out the wrong side of the fabric as you can see me doing. Then fold your fabric into two and mark out 1.5 inch at the edge of your fabric as you can see me doing. 1.5. I am going to do this to the other side of the other end of the fabric too. So mark out 1.5 inches, and then from that point of 1.5 you are going to join it. Run a stitch down from the 1.5 to the other 1.5. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and join together. And after joining, this is what it should look like now, leaving the 1.5 inches vent opening. So the next thing we are going to do is to turn this right side outside. So here I have a screwdriver. You can use something that can penetrate into the fabric just to turn the right side facing us. So I'm going to do that now. So now that we have the right side facing us, the next thing we are going to do is super simple. We are going to pick each end of the fabric, let me say that, each end of the fabric, we are going to join them together. Make sure that the right side are facing right side. Then you can pin them down if you want to, or as a beginner you should pin them down. And then we are going to run a stitch, a straight line stitch over there. So this is what it should look like after joining. Make sure you trim out the excess and then push in what you've joined into the tiny hole in the fabric, as you can see me doing. If you want to iron press at this stage, you can go ahead to do that. And now we have like a circle shaped fabric. So the next thing we are going to do is use our tiny elastic. So we are almost done. I cut my elastic in 7 inches, and then I'm going to insert this into the fabric. So watch me do this. And we are almost done. So pass the elastic around, as you can see, bring it out from the tiny hole and then hold it down. And the first elastic we hold down, make sure you join both ends of the elastic together as you see me doing. And the next thing I'm going to do is to join both ends of my elastic together. So after joining, this is what I have there, and it's definitely a thick stitch I have there because I want it to last longer. I don't want the elastic breaking apart after use. So this is me trimming off the excess thread and then inserting the elastic into the fabric. You can see we can really see the elastic again, and then the tiny hole, I had to struggle to look for it, and there it is. So we are going to join these parts together also just to close up the vent. So I'm going to go to my sewing machine and run a stitch over there. And after closing up the tiny hole we have there, this is what it looks like now. Super cute and lovely. It turns out so beautiful. And that is all, friends. Now you know how to make these cute scrunchies. If you have any question, make sure to drop in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.